Are you ready to revolutionize the way you assist your enterprise in customer support, boost efficiency, and skyrocket user satisfaction to new heights? We've got the ultimate solution for tackling prolonged wait times and simplifying complex processes. Introducing Help Center, your first line of support. Imagine a scenario where users log into the portal and begin a conversation by entering a query related to the database access into the search bar. Our Help Center takes charge, guiding them into a world of knowledge and resources. It requests crucial details such as email address for initiating an approval process with automated precision, promptly notifying the relevant managers, and managing administrative tasks, resulting in saving of productive time for the user, agent, and the enterprise. Once the approval is granted, for users seeking database access, we've got you covered with a straightforward, step-by-step guide. Furthermore, in the Recent Help tab, past queries are neatly organized by timeline for quick retrieval of previous interactions. With a simple click on New Help, empowers users to explore and submit fresh queries. Still can't find the solution you need? Don't worry, one click is all it takes to escalate and raise the incident, ensuring that no queries go unanswered. As we wrap up the Help Center, it's more than just a tool, it's a game changer. It eliminates support complexities, delays on streamlined services, and delights your customers. Ready to transform your support experience? Don't miss out, request a demo today.